How to sew an easy inseam pocket. This video will show you how to sew a pocket into a seam. I'll show you a few different variations of this concept and how to add a pocket to a dress or skirt towards the end. So let's get started. Step 1, mark where you want your pocket on both pieces of fabric. Step 2, line up one piece of your pocket on the marked lines with right sides together and sew it a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Repeat on the other piece of fabric. Bring the right sides together and pull out the pocket fabric. Now you're going to stitch at your regular seam allowance, 1/2 inch or 5/8 inch depending on your project. When you come to the pocket, pivot and sew around the pocket, then back to the fabric. This will create the pocket opening. Now when you open it up, you can see here a perfect pocket hidden in the seam. You can add this pocket to any project you like. Here's an example of an inseam pocket on a dress. The pocket is in the side seam just below the waistline. The same principle will apply. Just line up your pocket fabric and sew it at 1/4 inch seam allowance with right sides together on the front and back skirt pieces. Then sew your side seam to the pocket and around. For an extra couture look, you could top stitch the front pocket edge so that it lies flat. And there you have it, a convenient pocket you can add to any garment. Another option for this type of pocket is to top stitch the pocket in place after it's sewn. This works great for sideways pockets to keep them in place on bags and purses. Let your imagination go wild on this technique and let me know in the comments below how you want to use this pocket style. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick, easy, and useful sewing tips.